Hello, I'm Bill Buchanan, the service manager at Rosen Nissan Madison, and I hope you are loving your new vehicle. As you approach your first routine maintenance appointment, we want to provide you with a tour of our truly exceptional service experience. When you arrive, follow the signs to the service entrance. Simply pull up until the garage door opens for you, then pull forward into the garage. Once inside, you'll be greeted by one of our service representatives who will quickly check you in and take your keys. If you are leaving your car, we offer our free shuttle service within 10 miles. If you plan to stay while our expert Nissan-certified technicians work on your vehicle, you can enjoy complimentary premium coffee and beverages in our state-of-the-art service lounge with Wi-Fi and cable TV. We also have plenty of charging ports and desk space. We are committed to giving you the best overall service experience you can find on your new or pre-owned car. And we will provide you with a clear explanation of all required work and charges. We also offer instant financing on car parts and accessories. And when the work is done, we even throw in a complimentary car wash. Maintenance that's done right, a fair price, and great customer service. It's all part of the Rosen Nissan Madison truly exceptional service experience.
Rosen.